What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I bring you another special video, the Sunday stock watch list, where I talk about all the stocks that I'm looking at for the week, all the ones that I like, all the ones that I don't like, all the economic events going on this calendar, and the earnings, if we do have any important earnings that we actually care about. But before we go ahead and start this video, make sure you hit that like button. I'll wait for you to do that. Subscribe, comment down below what other videos you'd like to see on this channel, and what other stocks am I missing, right? I think you guys are forgetting that, you know, I can't cover 1,000 stocks, so something is looking really nice. I might not have seen it because I was sticking to my own watch list. But let's go ahead and get started with this video. I mean, off the rip, you guys can already see our best friend is speaking this week. He's always in red. So Jerome Powell speaks on Wednesday at 9:30 a.m. and then on Thursday he also speaks at 10 a.m. So this is going to be an interesting week. I'm sure the market's going to want to hear what he has to say. Thomas speaks on Tuesday. You know, you have the Chicago Fed National Activity Index, existing home sales on Tuesday. What else is going on? Thursday, you know, obviously we have the jobless claims, current account, PMI, composite flash. Anything else that's important? Fed balance sheet, that's normal. Consumer sentiment on Friday, that'll be interesting. That's during market open, 30 minutes in, so we'll see. Let's go ahead and look at earnings. So not much going on. The only one that people may care about is FedEx. BlackBerry used to be, you know, short squeeze thing with GameStop and you know, AMC. But other than that, Carnival moved before. Carmex has moved nicely before. But FedEx is probably the most important company on this list, as of what I could see just looking quickly here. Yeah. So the first thing we're going to look at this for this week, it's going to be a short watch list. There's not much that I can say off rip, but the best thing about this is you guys get this quick video, but on Instagram, Nour Trades and Trade Like Nour, I'll be posting you know, trade ideas that I have for the week that pop up during the day. May have taken like a day to set up, and then I start noticing and I'll post it. So make sure you go follow that, turn the notifications on, turn it on for YouTube. The first thing I'm going to talk about is NVIDIA. This thing bounced off of a flat bottom again at this 153, 154 level. If I put this on a bigger time frame, you can see it even goes pretty far back here. These wicks, no candles closing below this 153 level. So I'm watching this. We're not far away. If we do consider or continue to go down as far as the market sentiment, and you know, NVIDIA will follow, I will be watching this 153 level, 152 level. And from there I got 150 and then 146. So that's NVIDIA. As far as Amazon, we kind of have the same kind of concept here. Just because I'm showing you the downside that I'm watching, that doesn't mean that, you know, I'm bearish on the market. It's just the best setups for right now that I'm looking at. So Amazon, I'm watching this 101 level. If we can come down and break this, you guys can see we've tested it a few times here. If we can come break 101, hold under 101, we can break into 100 down to 98. Now that may not look like a big move, but that's a pretty big move for where Amazon's stock at. It will pay, especially this is a short week, so if this happens like, let's just say Wednesday, Thursday, it's going to be a pretty intense move, and it'll pay a lot. So I'm watching Amazon. The last thing I'm actually watching for this week is Tesla. So I'm looking at this bear flag here. You guys can see we always come up and then we bounce off this trend, we test the bottom, bounce off this trend, come and test the bottom at 626. Now this is not actually the low. The low is 617. So on the 1 hour, this has room down to 621 if it takes down that low. But if you put this on the 4 hour, there's a lot of room, right? So I want to see what happens when we break that trend to the downside. And if we take out 617, I think we get an easy wash to 600. And then obviously the continuing or the following week, we'll see how much more room this actually does have. But I think under 617 we wash on Tesla pretty intensely. As you can see, we're kind of just holding up this level around the 620 area. After 620 though, there's not much that's gonna hold this up. Let's see if we can go on a 3-year. So yeah, there's not much. Obviously it's going to come down to these older levels. That's why, you know, when you chart in a bearish market, you do have to go further back. But this was how Friday was. It was pretty choppy. We didn't end up taking the high out after we took this one out. The morning high right here at the 650 level. This pushed all the way up to 662. But yeah, that's everything that I'm currently watching for this week. It's a short watch list, you know, justifiably so, because we do have Powell speaking twice this week as well. So be on your toes and make sure you pay attention to my Instagram accounts, because that's where I'll actually post any trade ideas that pop up. So I'll see you guys. Peace.